Students, today we learn and write sound of A words. Let me start. According to phonic sounds, A means act. What is this? This is a cat. According to phonic sound, C, ka, ant, C-A-T, cat. What is this? This is a bat. According to phonic sound, B, ba, ant, bat, B-A-T, bat. Wow, what is this? This is a rat. R-A-T, rat. Again, C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. Next picture. What is this? This is a hat. According to phonic sound, H, ha, and T, H-A-T, hat. What is this? This is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B, ba, ball. What is this? This is a fan. F-N, F-A-N, fan. Now again repeat sound of A words. C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. B-A-L-L, ball. F-A-N, fans. Now students, today we learn and write sound of A words. According to phonic sound, A